Hello, my name is Katherine McCarthy, and I will be explaining how to use trigonometric identities. There are several trig identities, but here are some fundamental ones. These are the reciprocal identities, quotient identities, and Pythagorean identities. The reciprocal identities state that each one of these trig functions are the reciprocal of another. The quotient identities show that tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta, and that cotangent theta is equal to cosine theta over sine theta. The Pythagorean identities replace the Pythagorean theorem with trig functions. These identities can be used to simplify expressions. For instance, if we were to simplify the expression sine theta times cosecant theta. If we look back over here at our formulas, you'll see that underneath reciprocal identities, cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. As a result, we can substitute cosecant theta with 1 over sine theta. This allows sine theta and 1 over sine theta to cancel out, which leaves us with 1. Another example is tangent squared theta times 1 minus sine squared theta. Here we can use the Pythagorean theorems in order to simplify the inside of the parentheses. However, upon looking at the formulas, none of them appear to match. This is due to the fact that we can actually rearrange the formulas by subtracting from both sides. We'll use the first identity because the inside of the parentheses includes both 1 and sine squared theta. If we subtract sine squared theta from both sides, we are left with cosine squared theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta. This means we can substitute 1 minus sine squared theta with cosine squared theta. The problem is more simplified, but we can still simplify it further. The quotient identities state that tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Upon substituting this in, we are able to cancel out the cosine squared theta, leaving us with sine squared theta. In conclusion, trigonometric identities are used in simplifying expressions. A couple identities include the reciprocal, quotient, and Pythagorean identities, and the Pythagorean identities can be rearranged.